Okay, that's pretty good. That's really enriching. So I am really freaked out why you are here being an engineering student. What's the need of coming here? Just for a fraction of a second, let me know something about your coming. About the reason you came here.
Okay, so the main
You already accepted that you are an introvert type of person. So
no,
one thing you
actually,
yeah,
lots of my friend.
that's really pretty good, Abhishek. You should be optimistic about if you are really yearning to make friends here. You'll be getting various states of the people you talk in this Jostock app. And if you have come just for making friends, then I will be just telling you that you will get a very good conglomerates of friends here, and you can enhance your interaction skill too. Did
So
you
I'm
understand what did I mean?
sorry.
Are you getting my point how the way I'm
Yeah,
saying?
yeah,
So I'm not
absolutely.
getting any response
I'm
from your side. That's why I was
okay. Okay, so okay, pardon. I was kind of
that's the part you have to be care of. Then when the time of when you have the time to talk with, that means response with, so you have to
mhm.
be very care of that, because that is conversation or making friends is just to listen them and to make them listen. That's the two things you should have in
Okay.
talking. That's the thing. So tell me something about your hobbies, Abhishek. What do you want to do in your time when you have no time to work? So
Yeah.
already you have shared one of your hobbies, that is you are researching about the different cultures, different
Mhm.
personalities. So tell me, share something about what the research you have done and what are the experiences you got so far.
Exactly. Yeah, there are also like lots of things to talk about the politics.
You have
Uh,
a profound information about history, about how the how India has been created, how the
ac-
people. My God, it's really appealing. It's really enhancing my way
Actually,
to.
I have
I
also
think
like
that I should go on listening to you, Abhishek. What a word,
so yeah.
romantic mixture. Really,
Yeah, because
really
in like
propelling.
usually peep things.
It's an ecstasy for me that you, being an engineering student, computer
Mm,
science student, you have the profound knowledge about history and about the creation of our
mm,
country, the races, the dynasties, the kingdoms, and all. And you have a very deep knowledge about all these things. And your hobby, the way you have just shared with me that your hobby is to research on the history, you are definitely researching and you are getting the informations. And the word you have used here, romantic, so
mm,
it's look that you are really passionate about the course you are studying. And
mm,
you are very accelerated about being the part of this scientific study, as you know, because always and you know, by knowing about the getting the information about all the dynasties, all the history,
mm,
about the history
mm,
before Christ, after Christ, then
mm,
you have a very good knowledge about the psychology of any person, that how to
mm,
deal with the person's behavior, how they earlier people, how they used to think, how they used to
Mhm.
deal with the situation. And that's that would make you a very good knowledgeable person about history. And this also using, you are using it in general knowledge, and that will be enhanced your time and energy in a possible manner. And you are the master, you will be the masterpiece of knowledge in the near coming
Thanks.
future. As
Thanks
I
a lot.
can, I can accept it promptly. So let me know something about your sports, where what kind of sports you like, and why do you prefer that so much.
So,
That means wherever you have kept your mind and body and soul, you made it as a accomplished a work, accomplished one.
mhm,
And that's proved again. So that doesn't mean that if you would be an cricketer, then also you could do something better at this sports level. But yeah, there also I think your career was built by Almighty in another level, means computer level, computer.
mhm,
That's why I think your mind has been changed, and now you are really you have got a lot on plate by working on the computer science, by studying in
mhm,
computer science level, and that's vigorously worked for you. And so I will tell that the you have complied with your parents, and that's worked. And it's really getting better, you are really getting better at wherever you are going and whatever you are doing. And that's a part of worth speaking highly of your career and your success. I can i can
thanks. Like, if you don't mind, can I, that how can I improve these qualities in myself?
uh I don't know. I would be better person for you to answer this question, this question's answer or not. But yeah, I will try my level best to make you understand. First of all, you should be regular in this platform, and wherever you are talking in English, or wherever you are going to talk with any by using any language, you should be regular.
Mhm,
You should have the curious mind inside that. You should be social, you should be related with social society. That means whoever is
mhm,
you are calling. And sometimes if you are not getting any person to talk, then you call for your own side to any friend of yours that you have not met for a long time, that suddenly you are calling him or her, then you will
mhm,
start conversation. So if you talk more than 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes, that's not to be feeling repent on it. First of all, because
mhm,
you have started, when you are really continuous about that work, then it would go forever, and you will feel confidence whenever you talk with anyone. This is the first and foremost work you should have. Next one, whenever you talk to anyone, just please, just first of all, try to listen to that person. And not only just
mhm,
for formality maintenance, you just listen to him or her with a great soul. And whenever you listen to that person with mindfulness, then the response comes from that side in a huge manner. Then the bonding can be created, and the time of interaction will go on, getting going out of the beyond of that time management and all.
mhm,
So these two things, if you can follow in your initial stages, you will be a better partner, you will be a good partner, and people will vigorously call you to be with you, to talk with you, and they will be really tickle pink whenever they are with you. The two things, if you maintain, you will be the real Abhishek that you are. Yeah, you do that. So, and first of all, one thing is that you have a steadfast support of your knowledge, of your informations. So you, whenever, if you, what you have, if you can't share with anyone, then that information is not a meaning, is can't give you any meaning. So if what you have, if you can transfer to that information to another person, that is the meaningful informations, as one of the, as everybody says, isn't it? So try to talk with most of the persons, as and when you are not in any serious work and all, and make your touch with everyone very simple, very easy, and try to listen to them as much as possible. And I think every circumstance will come to make you sure to be the best partner, best communication interaction partner under the radar. And I think you will be feeling exhilarated too. So your informations, I liked your information, and you have a plenty of knowledge, and please don't make them meaningless by not talking with anyone. Just be with everyone every day. In, you can come in Jostock app daily, for daily basis. If not possible daily, you can come in thrice in a week, and then you can make your, you can get along with various persons that you will be really vigorously happy with the, with being with that persons. And try not to call it a day, just go on your talking with other persons, and you'll be see, generally, normally, naturally, you'll be person, that persons, other persons are searching you, and searching Abhishek, calling you Abhishek, and that I want to talk to him. So that hobby, we feel hobby, that hobby we are using, we don't have any time, then we are using, we are singing, we are playing, we are talking something. But now by talking with you, I got to know something, that when, if I have a hobby, then this hobby also can make my information better, make my time better. That means you have hobby of getting the informations of history, the way you have the informations, that was that was really very credulous. Someone will be really very will go bananas to know something more about the history. And that time also you have managed, and the hobby also you have spent, and the informations also you have gathered. So this thing, I got to know that hobby is not for just making the time meaningless. It should be made to time, to make your hobby, to make your time meaningful. And that's I learned, and I will also try to use it in my natural life.
So yeah, that's, so yeah, I also watch a lot of, so yeah, and also like
Yeah,
so yeah.
Abhishek, you are really a soft-hearted person, as I discovered the way you watch movies, and that's really encouraging. And it's a phenomenal part to watch movies with, and discuss the movies about the theme, what the lesson we got from the movies we watched. And that's really a phenomenal one to make our information, or make our you can say our time meaningful, isn't it? And one thing is that Abhishek, you told that you don't you can't spend much time with anyone you talk. You talk 32 minutes. That means more than half an hour you talked with. So that's a congratulations, Abhishek. You
Thanks.
have done a great job
I'll
here.
give the full credit to you. I'll give the full credit to you because you have the
But ultimately, one thing, there is a good news for our discussion topic. That means in the 33 minutes you have talked most of the time, Abhishek. That's the credit goes to you. You have talked, you have given me the informations, and I really, I don't have that much knowledge about history, I accept that. But whenever you were sharing the thoughts about various minds and all, then I was really stunning. How come that person say about all these things, being a student of computer science? It was really got my mind very astonishing. I guess you are the star of getting the informations about history, and you gonna make this information more deeper, and you are really amateur about learning history. And I think someone should speak highly of you, your informations about the knowledge you have. I'm really tactfully. I can say that you are really a. I think you are a bibliophile type of person. That means you love to read books, right? You love to read. Yeah. I can understand. So you are a classic type of person, and history and being you are really, come what may, you will be the next, I think, an entrepreneur for uh, in your career, because you will find something that people can be benefited, people can get the service, and people can be always be grateful and always be informative about the things that they need to know. That's the thing I can understand. That's really that's really encouraging, really very, I can comprehend it. So, Abhishek, we talked about 37 minutes. It's a very good time I spent with you, dear. And you have done a great job. You have profound knowledge about history, and you are a great student of computer science. So, I'm really very happy to talk to you, have very ecstatic to talk to you, dear. So, thank you, dear. Thank you so much. And please give me a friend request, and I will be talking to you, and yearn to talk with you again. And in this Jostock app, uh, please give me.